Hello students, welcome to the 8th video on applications of derivatives. In the last video, we studied about tangents and normals. Now in this video, we'll study about equation of tangent and equation of normal. So let us start with tangent and normal, that is equation. So consider a graph, that is consider a curve y equal to f of x, and here this point P on this curve, that is x1 comma y1. So therefore this is a tangent, and perpendicular to this tangent is nothing but normal. Now here dy by dx at x1 y1 is nothing but slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to f of x at x1 y1. So this one is a slope of the tangent at the point P of x1 y1. Next, therefore, the equation of tangent to the curve. Then how to calculate the equation of this tangent or equation of this line? So therefore the equation of tangent to the curve is given by y equal to f of x at x1 y1 is given by using this formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So here y minus y1 equal to, here slope of this line is nothing but dy by dx at x1 y1 into x minus x1. So students, equation of tangent to the curve. So equation of this line you have to write down. Equation of tangent is nothing but equation of this line. Now here for this line, point is given, that is x1 y1, and the slope of this line, the slope of the line is nothing but, this is the slope of the line, that is dy by dx at x1 y1. Now by using point slope formula, so what is the point slope formula? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So by using this formula, so equation of this tangent is y minus y1 equal to, so here m is nothing but slope of the line. So this, in the place of m, you take dy by dx at x1 y1 into x minus x1. Next, slope of the normal to the curve. So slope of the normal is reciprocal with opposite sign, because the product of slope of tangent and slope of normal equal to minus 1, that is m1 mt equal to minus 1. Now by using that term, minus of 1 divided by slope of the tangent. So slope of the normal is minus 1 by slope of the tangent. So therefore minus 1 by, what is the slope of the tangent? Dy by dx at x1 y1. So this is a slope of the normal. Next, therefore the equation of the normal to the curve is given by the equation of the normal to the curve y equal to f of x at x1 y1 is equal to, or is given by, y minus y1 equal to minus 1 divided by dy by dx at x1 y1 into x minus x1. So here equation of the normal is nothing but equation of this line, red line. Now here for this line, what is the given term? One point is given, that is x1 y1, and slope of this line is given. The slope of this line is nothing but opposite with reciprocal of this slope of the tangent. So by using this formula or by using this slope, so easily we can write equation of normal is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at x1 y1 into x minus x1. Next, by using those two formulas, equation of tangent and equation of normal, now we'll take the next example, that is example number 9. Find the equation of all lines having slope minus 1 that are tangents to the curve y equal to 1 divided by x minus 1, where x is not equal to 1. Find the equation of all lines having slope minus 1 that are tangent to the curve y equal to 1 by x minus 1. So in this example, you start with given term first. What is the given? Slope of the tangent is given, that is minus 1. Therefore, dy by dx at x comma y is minus 1. Now differentiate this given term with respect to x. So we get dy by dx equal to, so what is the derivative of 1 by x? So derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Minus 1 by x square. In the place of x minus 1 is there. So we'll get minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. Now this implies minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square is equal to, so this dy by dx already given. So what is dy by dx value here? Minus 1. Dy by dx at x comma y is nothing but slope of the tangent. So that value is minus 1 is given. Now simplify this term, we will get the value of x. So here 1 equal to x minus 1 whole square. Therefore x minus 1 equal to plus or minus 1. So therefore x minus 1 equal to plus 1 or x minus 1 equal to minus 1. So therefore x equal to plus 2 or x equal to 0. Now when x equal to 2, the corresponding the value of y is, we get y equal to 1. The point is 2 comma 1. When x equal to 0, here y equal to, we will get minus 1. So therefore point is 0 comma minus 1. So these are the required points. Therefore the required points are 2 comma 1 and 0 comma minus of 1. Thus the points on the given curve at which the slope of tangent is minus 1 are 2 comma 1 and 0 comma minus 1. Next, therefore the equation of tangent at 2 comma 1 is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now therefore y minus y1 equal to here 1 and m is minus 1. So x minus x1 is minus 2. Now if you simplify this one, we get x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. So this is the required equation of tangent at 2 comma 1. Now similarly, equation of tangent at 0 comma minus 1 is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is a formula. Next substitute x1 and y1 term. Here m equal to minus 1. So if we simplify, we will get x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is the equation of tangent at 0 comma minus 1. These are the required equations of tangent at these 2 points. Next, example number 10. Find the equation of all lines. Find the equation of all lines having slope 2 which are tangent to the curve which are tangent to the curve y equal to 1 by x minus 3. So similar method example is there. You have to find out equation of lines whose having slope is 2, okay, and which are tangent to the curve. So this is the equation y equal to 1 by x minus 3. So you can write down first slope of the tangent is 2, that is dy by dx at x comma y is 2. Now differentiate this given curve with respect to x. So we get dy by dx equal to minus 1 by x minus 3 whole square. Next, therefore minus 1 by x minus 3 whole square equal to dy by dx is already given, that is 2. Now substitute here and then simplify this term now. Minus 1 by is 2 equal to, you take this term on the right hand side, x minus 3 whole square. So this term is not possible because x minus 3 whole square, so this term square is always positive, but we get here the negative term is there, left hand side negative term is there, means for such equations x values does not exist or this term is not possible. So therefore x value does not exist means, so we can't write equation of line here. So this is the answer here, only this much you can write. So for this one x values are does not exist or which is not possible. Next example number 11. Find the equation of all lines having slope 0 which are tangent to the curve y equal to 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3. So same method is there, only difference is in this given, in the given term the equation of this curve is y equal to 1 by quadratic term is there. Now in this example first you start with slope of the tangent is 0, then dy by dx equal to, you'll get here 0. Now differentiate this given term with respect to x. So we get dy by dx equal to, so if you differentiate this term means you can apply u by v rule. So by using u by v rule or first term divided by second term. So by using u by v rule, so v into u dash, that is derivative of first term, minus here first term as it is, derivative of this second term, that is x square minus derivative of this term is, derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of minus 2x is 2 minus 2, now divided by this denominator whole square, x square minus 2x plus 3 whole square. Now simplify this term, we get dy by dx equal to minus 2x. So first term is 0 because 0 into this quadratic term is, you will get 0. Now minus 1 into 2x, minus 2x, minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2, this whole divided by x square minus 2x plus 3 whole square. Now what is the given term? Dy by dx, that slope is 0 is there. Now equate this term with 0. So that is minus 2x plus 2 divided by x square minus 2x plus 3 whole square equal to 0. Next this denominator to take on the right hand side, we will get 0, that is minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore minus 2x equal to minus 2 or x equal to, you will get plus 1. Now when x equal to plus 1, the corresponding the value of y you have to find out by using this given term. So put x equal to 1 here. So we get, put x equal to 1 in this equation, we get 1 by 1 square is 1 minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 plus 3. Now simplify this one, we get 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2. When x equal to 1, y equal to 1 by 2. So therefore point is 1 comma 1 by 2. Now therefore the equation of tangent at 1 comma 1 by 2 or 0.5 is given by y minus y1 equal to m is 0 here, x minus x1. Therefore y equal to or y minus 0.5 equal to this term is will get 0. Y minus 0.5 equal to 0. This is the required equation, or we can write this equation in terms of y equal to 0.5 or y equal to 1 by 2. So this is the required equation of tangent. Next, example number 12. Find points on the curve x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1 at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis and second one parallel to y-axis. So here find the points on this curve at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. So in this example, we start with first write down this given term x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. Next, so differentiate this function with respect to x. We get derivative of x square is 2x. Here 1 by 9 constant term as it is. Here 1 by 16 term as it is. What is the derivative of y square? 2y with respect to y is dy by dx, or you can write in terms of y dash equal to right hand side derivative of 1 is you get 0. Next, 2 times y into y dash divided by 16 equal to minus of 2x by 9. Next, 2 get cancelled. Y into y dash equal to, take this 16 on the right hand side, we get minus 16 by 9 into x. Therefore y dash equal to minus 16 by 9 into x by y. So this is dy by dx or y dash. Now next, by using this one, the slope of the tangent to the curve is minus 16x by 9y. Now the first term is parallel to x-axis. So parallel to x-axis means the given tangent is parallel to x-axis means if lines are parallel, slopes are equal. If lines are parallel, if two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Now therefore, what is the slope of the x-axis? So slope of the x-axis is always 0, because slope of this line, any line is, there are two formulas are there by using theta value or by using 2-point form here. So by using theta value, when line is parallel to x-axis, theta value will be 0. So tan 0 is will get 0. So here theta value or slope of this tangent is will get 0. Now therefore dy by dx equal to 0. Now therefore minus 16x divided by 9 times y equal to 0. Here we can take x equal to 0. Now x equal to 0, substitute in the given equation, we get the corresponding the value of y. So here x equal to 0, then the corresponding the value of y we can calculate by using this given term. Put x equal to 0 and then simplify. We get y square by 16 equal to 1, y square equal to 16, y equal to plus or minus 4. Therefore, the points are 0, 4 and 0, minus 4. When x equal to 0, y equal to, there are two values are there, means you will get 2 points, 0, 4 and 0, minus 4. Next, sub example number 2, parallel to y-axis. So when the line is parallel to y-axis, slope of y-axis does not exist, because y-axis means theta is 90 degree. So when theta is 90 degree, so we will get tan 90 degrees infinity. So here the y value is indefinite value. Slope of the tangent does not exist, that is dy by dx equal to dy by dx is equal to, we can take infinity here, does not exist means we can consider this as infinity. So at what value of y we will get infinity? When y is 0, then only this is the values does not exist or we get indefinite value. So here y equal to 0 will get. Now x square by 9, y equal to 0 is substitute in the given curve here, equation of curve. So we will get y equal to 0 here, you will get x value is x square by 9 equal to 1. So here x square equal to 9, x equal to plus or minus 3. So the required points are, so here y 0, then x equal to plus 3 and x equal to minus 3. So the points are 3 comma 0 and minus 3 comma 0. So these are the required points. Next, example number 13. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to y equal to x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at 0 comma 5. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the given curve. So in this example, already equation is given, point also given. So here first dy by dx you have to find out. So dy by dx, how to calculate dy by dx? By using this given term. So write down this given term, then differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cube. Derivative of 6x cube is 18x square. 13 into x square is 26x. 10x is, we will get minus of 10. Derivative of 5 is, we will get 0. Now here dy by dx at 0 comma 5 because point is given here. So 0 comma 5 is, we get, so put x equal to 0 in the right hand side. So we will get 4 into 0, 18 into 0, 26 into 0. Therefore, and this constant term as it is minus 10. Put x equal to 0 here. Now this implies we will get minus 10. Dy by dx at 0 comma 5 is minus 10. Now therefore, slope of this tangent of the curve is minus 10. Now by using this one, now next equation of tangent. Equation of tangent, this is a formula, y minus y1 equal to dy by dx at x1 y1 into x minus x1. So therefore equation of the tangent to the curve at 0 comma 5 is given by, write down this formula, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. M is nothing but dy by dx at x1 y1. Now you can substitute the value. What is the y1 here? 5. What is m? Now just we calculated slope of this term at 0 comma 5, that is minus 10. Then x minus of, what is the value of x1? That is 0. Now simplify this one. X minus 5 equal to minus 10 into x is minus 10x, then plus 10x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. So this is the required equation of tangent. Now similarly, slope of the normal. How to calculate slope of the normal? Minus 1 divided by slope of the tangent. So therefore, what is slope of tangent here? Minus 10 is there. Means here we will get plus 1 by 10 is the slope of the normal. Next equation of normal is, you can apply the same formula. Same point is there. Only slope value you have to change. What is the slope value here? 1 by 10. x1 and y1 term as it is. In the place of here slope, you take 1 by 10. So if you simplify this one, we get here 10 you take on the left hand side, 10y minus 50 equal to x. Therefore, x minus 10y plus 50 equal to 0. So this is a required equation of normal at 0 comma 5. Example number 14. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. So in this example, So this is a given curve y equal to f of x, and here point P on the curve, that is P of x1 y1. Now you take one line, that is the equation of line is 2x minus y, 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Now this line is parallel to the tangent. So student, draw this line, okay, which passes through this point here, okay. Now dy by dx equal to, so what is the derivative of this term? 2x minus of 2. Next, the equation of the line is, what is the equation of line? 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Now here y equal to, will get 2x plus 9. So this is of the form y equal to mx plus c. So in this example, by using this line, you have to calculate the slope of this line here. So first you convert this equation in terms of y equal to mx plus c, then compare these two terms, we will get the slope of value is, or slope of the line is 2. Compare this term y, z, x. So constant term is 9 here, m is 2, that is slope of the line. So slope of the line is 2 means the slope of the tangent also will get 2, because these two lines are parallel. When two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Therefore, slope of the tangent also will get 2. Now by using this one, if a tangent is parallel to the line, that is this is the, for this line, when the slope of the tangent is equal to the slope of the line. Therefore, slope of the tangent is 2x minus 2, 2x minus 2 equal to 2. Now 2x equal to 4 or x equal to 2. Therefore, when x equal to 2, what is the corresponding value of y here? We get 4 minus 4 plus 7, or here y is equal to plus 7. So the point is 2 comma 7 is the point. Now next, equation of the tangent to the curve at 2 comma 7 with slope 2 is given by using this formula, y minus 7 equal to 2 into x minus 2. Therefore y minus 7 equal to 2x minus 4, or 2x minus y is 2x minus y, here minus 4 plus 7 equal to 0, or 2x minus y minus 4 plus 7 is plus 3 equal to 0. So this is a required equation of tangent. Next, example number 15. Show that the tangent to the curve y equal to 7x cube plus 11 at the points where x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are parallel. Show that the tangent to the curve, so this is a tangent to the curve at the points where x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are parallel. So in this example, so first you can take directly dy by dx. What is dy by dx will get? So differentiate this function with respect to x. We'll get 21x square. Now dy by dx at x equal to 2. So what will get here? 21 into 4, that is 84. Now slope of the tangent at x equal to 2 is 84. So call this equation number 1. Then dy by dx at x equal to minus 2. 21 into minus 2 square. So same thing will get here. 21 into plus 4 is 84. Slope of the tangent at x equal to minus 2 also will get same thing, that is 84. Call this equation number 2. So from equation number 1 and 2, slopes are equal, therefore lines are parallel. So by using equation number 1 and 2, their slopes are equal means those two lines are parallel. So therefore tangent at x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are parallel. So in this example, you have to prove these two tangents are parallel. So students, I hope you enjoyed this session. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you students.